Hey, fellow seekers of wisdom. Welcome back to our channel. We've all been there, right? You lie in bed, telling yourself you must sleep for the big day ahead, but each attempt to drift off seems to amplify your alertness. It's as if the more you strive for slumber, the more it eludes you. So what's really going on here? Picture your mind as a battleground, where your conscious mind, the logical planner, goes head-to-head with the subconscious mind, the realm of feelings and habits. The twist? When these two sides collide, the subconscious, with its immense power, usually comes out on top. Remember that exam when you strained to summon an answer? The harder you forced your memory, the further the answer slipped away. Sound familiar? Well, these scenarios are classic examples of the law of reversed effort in action. Let's take a journey back to when you learned to ride a bike. Initially, if you focused on every little detail, you might have wobbled and stumbled. But once you relaxed, trusted the process, and let your intuition take over, the ride became effortless. The Chinese concept of Wu Wei, often translated as non-action, teaches us the art of flowing with life's current. It doesn't mean doing nothing, it means aligning your actions with the natural rhythm of life. Now you might wonder, how can we strike the perfect balance between pushing ourselves and allowing things to unfold? It's all about recognizing when to put in the effort and when to let the universe do its thing. As philosopher Mark Manson wisely pointed out, chasing happiness can ironically lead to unhappiness. On the other hand, embracing the current situation can bring the happiness you seek. Think about attraction, whether it's in relationships or endeavors. Clinging and pushing too hard can repel, while creating space can draw people closer. Remember, absence often makes the heart grow fonder. Viktor Frankl's perspective on anticipatory anxiety is eye-opening. Stressing over future outcomes can actually make those outcomes more likely to occur. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy that we unknowingly create. Have you heard of paradoxical intention? It's like confronting your fears by doing the opposite of what you fear. Trying to stay awake when you desperately want to sleep is a prime example of how reversing your approach can lead to unexpected results. Just like riding a bike, you start with effort and intention, but over time, it becomes second nature. So, as you face challenges and goals, remember to push when needed, and then let the stream of life carry you forward. Imagine lying in bed, aware of tomorrow's demands, but sleep remains elusive. The more you strive to sleep, the more awake you become. It's like the harder you chase it, the further it drifts away. A puzzling experience, right? Our minds are a fascinating battleground. On one side, we have the conscious mind, rational, analytical, and logical. On the other, the subconscious mind, intuitive, emotional, and habitual. In the tug of war between them, the subconscious often emerges as the victor. Think about exam situations. The more you strive to remember, the more the answer eludes you. This is the law of reversed effort in action. Trying too hard can paradoxically push the desired outcome away. Let's talk about learning. When you learn to ride a bike, focusing on each mechanical detail might have resulted in wobbles and tumbles. However, when you let go of overthinking and trusted your intuition, the ride became smooth. Wu Wei, the ancient Chinese principle of non-action, urges us to align ourselves with the natural flow of life. It's like dancing with the current instead of against it. Striking the balance between striving and letting go is an art. It's about recognizing when to exert effort and when to allow the universe to work its magic. Happiness paradoxes: seeking it can sometimes lead to dissatisfaction. However, embracing the present, no matter the circumstances, can often lead to a contented heart. Whether in relationships or pursuits, attraction often flourishes when we release our grip and create space. Just as absence can ignite longing, stepping back can kindle interest. Anticipatory anxiety, a stress of its own, can ironically contribute to the very outcomes we dread. Our fears, when focused on intensely, can inadvertently shape our reality. Viktor Frankl's concept of paradoxical intention offers an intriguing twist. By confronting fears head-on, we often dissolve their power. It's like outsmarting your worries. Just like climbing a mountain, the ascent requires effort, but the real magic lies in savoring the journey itself. Your goals and aspirations are no different. Work hard when required, but also let life's currents guide you. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. If these insights resonated with you, don't keep them to yourself. Share this video with your fellow seekers, and let's inspire each other to find the delicate balance between striving and surrendering. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. We value your engagement. Until next time, may your path be filled with moments of effortless achievement and boundless joy.